Are you looking for beauty gadgets that can transform your skincare routine and give you that spa-like glow at home? With so many devices available, it's tough to know which ones are worth your time and money. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 beauty gadgets that deliver professional-level results, right in the comfort of your home. Whether it's lifting, toning, or exfoliating, these gadgets will elevate your beauty game. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, NuFace. The NuFace Trinity is a cutting-edge microcurrent device designed to lift and tone your face while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Trusted by skincare professionals, this gadget is like having a non-invasive facelift at your fingertips. Key features: the NuFace Trinity uses low-level electrical microcurrents to stimulate facial muscles. It comes with interchangeable attachments for targeted treatments, including a wrinkle reducer and an advanced lip and eye attachment. Its compact design and intuitive controls make it a user-friendly choice for at-home skincare. Benefits and usage: this device helps contour, tone, and firm the skin, delivering a more youthful appearance. Use it on clean, dry skin after applying a conductive gel. Glide the device across your face in upward motions for 5 minutes daily. Over time, you'll notice a visible lift and improved skin texture. Usability: the NuFace Trinity is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and equipped with a timer to guide your routine. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, while its cordless operation makes it convenient for travel. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the NuFace Trinity is designed to last. It comes with a rechargeable battery and a sleek docking station, ensuring that it's always ready for use. In the second spot, we have PMD. The PMD Clean Pro is a smart facial cleansing device that combines sonic glow technology with an innovative active warmth feature. It's designed to deeply cleanse pores, lift away impurities, and enhance skincare absorption. Key features: this device boasts 7,000 vibrations per minute, effectively removing dirt, oil, and makeup residue. The active warmth technology uses heat to open pores, allowing skincare products to penetrate deeply. It's crafted with ultra-hygienic silicone that's antibacterial and waterproof, ensuring safe use. Benefits and usage: the PMD Clean Pro not only cleanses your skin but also massages and enhances the effectiveness of serums and moisturizers. Simply apply your cleanser, turn on the device, and massage it over your skin for 60 seconds. Flip it to the active warmth side for better absorption of skincare products. Usability: with its ergonomic design and multiple vibration intensities, the PMD Clean Pro is simple to use. Its silicone brush head never needs replacing, making it a low-maintenance option for your skincare routine. Durability: the device is built to last with a rechargeable battery that holds a long charge. Its sturdy, waterproof construction ensures reliability for years, even with regular use. Coming in at number 3 is the Dermaflash. The Dermaflash Lux Plus is an advanced exfoliating device that removes dead skin cells and peach fuzz, leaving your skin smoother and more radiant. Inspired by professional dermaplaning treatments, it's a must-have for flawless makeup application and improved skincare absorption. Key features: this device uses a gentle sonic vibration, combined with a precision blade to exfoliate the skin and remove fine hairs. It's equipped with 2 speed settings for customizable treatments and comes with a set of replacement blades and a soothing prep cleanser. Benefits and usage: the Dermaflash Lux Plus improves skin texture, minimizes the appearance of pores, and allows skincare products to work more effectively. Start by cleansing your face with the included prep cleanser, then use the device in short, upward strokes. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer for best results. Usability: the ergonomic design and easy-to-follow instructions make the Dermaflash Lux Plus user-friendly, even for beginners. It's gentle on the skin and includes a safety guard to prevent nicks or irritation during use. Durability: the device is made with high-quality materials and includes a rechargeable battery for long-lasting performance. The replaceable blades ensure hygienic use, and the included storage pouch makes it travel-friendly. Taking our 4th spot is Clarisonic. The Clarisonic Mia Smart is a revolutionary 3-in-1 device that cleanses, tones, and enhances skincare absorption. Known for its iconic brush head technology, it's a staple for anyone serious about achieving professional-level skincare results. Key features: this device features patented oscillating technology that cleanses 6 times better than hands alone. It offers multiple brush head options for cleansing, firming, and makeup blending. The Mia Smart is also app-connected, allowing you to customize routines based on your skin type and goals. Benefits and usage: the Mia Smart removes dirt, oil, and impurities while gently exfoliating the skin. Use it with your favorite cleanser for a deep clean, then switch to a firming massage head to tone and lift the skin. The app offers guided routines for added convenience. Usability: the Mia Smart is easy to use and versatile, adapting to various skincare needs with its interchangeable heads. It's gentle enough for daily use and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Durability: Clarisonic devices are renowned for their durability, and the Mia Smart is no exception. Its rechargeable battery offers weeks of use on a single charge, and its waterproof design ensures it holds up to regular use in the bathroom. And finally, at number 5, we have ReFa. The Rea Carrot Face Roller is a luxurious beauty tool designed to replicate the kneading action of a professional facial massage. It's perfect for lifting, firming, and rejuvenating your skin while improving circulation. Key features: this device features platinum-coated, multi-angular rollers that gently pinch and knead the skin. It uses microcurrent technology to stimulate facial muscles, and its waterproof design allows for use in the bath or shower. The ergonomic handle ensures easy grip and precise control. Benefits and usage: the Rea Carrot Face Roller helps tone and sculpt the face while reducing puffiness and promoting lymphatic drainage. Roll it gently over your face, jawline, and neck for a relaxing and effective massage. Use it daily for the best results. Usability: with its elegant design and intuitive operation, the Rea Carrot is incredibly easy to use. Its compact size makes it portable, and the lack of batteries or charging requirements ensures hassle-free maintenance. Durability: made from high-quality materials, this device is built to last. The platinum coating prevents tarnishing, while its sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability, even with frequent use. Elevating your skincare routine is easy with these top 5 beauty gadgets: NuFace, PMD Clean Pro, Dermaflash Lux Plus, Clarisonic Mia Smart, and Rea Carrot. Each device offers unique benefits to help you achieve radiant, youthful skin from the comfort of home. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert beauty reviews and tips.